Hey, future coders, you've tuned into AI Creator, the place where we make complex computer science concepts simple. Wondering how to jumpstart your coding journey in 2024? You couldn't have picked a better time or place. I'm your guide to the exciting world of coding. The first step on this journey is to master the basics. Whether you're a novice or you're dusting off old skills, it all starts with the fundamentals. Python and JavaScript are two great languages to focus on, thanks to their versatility and high demand in the market. Now it's time to take advantage of online learning platforms. With resources like Codecademy, Coursera, and edX, you can deepen your understanding of coding concepts from the comfort of your own home. Remember, theory is good, but it's the practical application that really counts. Start building your own projects. Whether it's a personal website, a simple app, or a game, this hands-on experience will not only reinforce your learning, but also showcase your skills to future employers. Once you've got a handle on the basics, familiarize yourself with version control systems like Git and collaboration platforms like GitHub. These tools are essential for managing your projects and working with others. It's now time to specialize. Find your passion within the vast field of computer science. Whether it's artificial intelligence, web development, or cybersecurity, pick a niche and dive in. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with fellow coders, become part of coding communities on platforms like Stack Overflow, and attend meetups or virtual events. Networking can lead to great learning opportunities and exciting collaborations. Get a taste of the professional world by gaining real-world experience through internships or freelancing. This practical exposure is invaluable, giving you a glimpse of what the professional coding world looks like. Finally, stay updated. The tech world changes at a breakneck speed, so keep up with industry blogs, subscribe to coding newsletters, and attend conferences. In this field, continuous learning is the only way to stay ahead. And there you have it, your quick yet comprehensive roadmap to jumpstart your coding journey in 2024. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Set realistic goals, stay committed, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you find this roadmap helpful, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more content, and share your coding goals in the comments below. Until the next video, happy coding!